Hi everyone and welcome to my channel today. It's Lynn here. How's everybody? I hope you're all well. So today I'm popping on with some happy mail, some lovely stunning Christmas cards. So my first card is this cute little card from Andrea the Cumbrian Crafter. So Andrea has cut out the background, and I'm sure I've seen her using the die cut on her channel. And then she's got all these lovely little cute cutter parts that she has popped over the top, and she's got a lovely Merry Christmas in the gold at the top of the card, and then inside it says, "To Lynn, Christmas greetings, love from Andrea." So yeah, there is my gorgeous card from Andrea. I absolutely love the colours on the card. On the back there, she's got the gorgeous Handmade with Love by Andrea. So that is my first card. And then the next card I've got is from a friend of mine. Now, she's not on YouTube, but she does craft, and she's done this gorgeous navy and gold card. So we've got a lovely gold star here. And then I'm not sure if this is either a stamp or she's die cut them out in a lovely gold glitter card. And then I can see sort of the trail, and the Happy Christmas has been stamped, and I can see that this is some embossing powder that she has popped over the top. So the lovely gold embossing powder. I'm not going to read the inside of the card, but this is the gorgeous card. And then the next one I have is also another crafty friend. Again, she doesn't come on YouTube. So this is her gorgeous card, and this is a lovely, it's really cute, a snowman and some lovely trees, and the snowman's holding a lantern. Now I think she has done an inky background and then stamped the snowman and the trees and the lantern, and then she looks as if she's done some inky splatters on the top of the card there. And again, this is another lovely blue one, and I'm not going to read the message inside this one either. That is my gorgeous Christmas mail, and how lovely are they? And then the next thing that I would like to do is just open my advent calendar Truffles for Two from Hotel Chocolat. And I did open a few on my channel. I'm now up to day 17. I was having a little bit of fun where I was trying to guess the chocolate each day. I haven't got one of them right yet, but never mind. It's just a little bit of fun. So I am actually looking for day 17, and it is just here. So I'm going to open it up. But just before I open it up, I am going to guess Madagascar vanilla. I've got all of the chocolates there listed on the back of the calendar. So I am going with Madagascar vanilla, and Clementine. Never mind, wrong again. But this is the gorgeous truffle. It is a milk chocolate truffle. So yes, I am going to have a try. So inside it is a gorgeous clementine flavour, and it is a smooth, runny caramel, and it's absolutely delightful. So yeah, that is it for today. thank you ever so much for joining me. I will be back again very soon with another video. In the meantime, happy crafting, have a wonderful day, take care and see you all soon. And yes, I'm going to finish the rest of my chocolate. Bye bye for now.